Hello everyone, hope you're having a good day. Today we are making simple organic compost at home with kitchen waste. Are you still using this method? Wasting water? So much effort? Our method is simple and doesn't attract bugs. First, grab loose containers and drill holes on the bottom. Now in those containers, add one layer of soil, then one layer of kitchen waste, and repeat. Then put the lid on and place them right next to your plants. The plants will soak up the water and it won't burn the roots. After 30 days, this is the result. Below the containers and pots are many roots. These roots will go there to get nutritious compost. The soil has already turned black and it does not stink at all, and there is no bugs. The compost can now be used as fertilizer for other plants, and you can reuse the container for more compost. Every day, you can cut up your kitchen waste and use it as compost. So, that's it. If you have animals around in your garden, you need to cover those containers with a lid. Please subscribe to our channel. We will be making more composting videos soon. See you there.